Cathedral's awakening. In the gentle embrace of dawn's first light, a sleepy village stirred from its slumber. On the outskirts, silhouetted against the burgeoning day, stood a grand structure, an abandoned cathedral, once the heart of the community, now whispering tales of a bygone era. As one ventured closer, the cathedral revealed itself as a testament to the passage of time. Its stone walls were weathered, worn by the elements and the turn of seasons. Vines climbed freely over its facade, the pathway leading to its once welcoming doors now overgrown and forgotten. Yet, the cathedral held an air of silent grandeur, a relic of the past with stories etched in every nook and cranny. Inside, the cathedral was a spectacle of faded beauty. The morning light streamed through the stained glass windows, painting a breathtaking kaleidoscope of colors across the dusty pews and the once polished floor. It was a place frozen in time, silent and waiting, yet still possessing a haunting beauty. At the center, bathed in the shifting hues of the stained glass, stood the cathedral's grand organ. Its keys, untouched for many years, lay in silence. The grand instrument seemed to yearn for the touch of a maestro, for the echo of music to fill the air once again. One day, a figure stood at the cathedral's entrance. It was the village elder, a woman known for her courage and wisdom. In her eyes sparked a flicker of determination, a plan forming in her mind. She saw not an abandoned building, but a treasure to be unearthed, a spirit to be rekindled. Under the guidance of the elder, the villagers rallied together. The cathedral was filled with the echoes of their efforts, the scrape of a broom, the scrub of a cloth, the gentle hammering of minor repairs. Each sound was a testament to their dedication, their desire to breathe life back into the grand structure. The day of the cathedral's rebirth arrived. With an air of reverence, the elder approached the grand organ. As her fingers pressed the keys, the cathedral came alive with the echo of music, a sound that hadn't been heard in years. It was as though the cathedral found its voice again, each note telling a story of hope and renewal. The villagers, hearing the familiar yet long-forgotten sound, flocked to the cathedral. Their faces lit up with joy, astonishment, and a tinge of nostalgia. The sounds of their admiration and marvel filled the cathedral, mixing with the notes that flowed from the organ, creating a symphony of rebirth and unity. From that day forward, the cathedral stood not as an abandoned relic, but as a beacon of life and activity. Its echoes were no longer just whispers of the past, but also resonant notes of the present. Each echo was a testament to the spirit of the villagers, their unity, and the rebirth of the cathedral they had accomplished together. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the village was bathed in the warm glow emanating from the cathedral. The soft notes from the organ played on, the music now a comforting lullaby for the village. The cathedral, once abandoned, was now a symbol of resilience and revival, its echoes singing a lullaby to the night and promising a melody for the dawn.